It's your girl Daisy. Welcome my flowers squad. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll always know each and every time that I do come on. And today I have some chipotle. Yes, some good chipotle. I don't know if it's in your area, but it's so good. And I'm gonna dig in, but I'm gonna say my grace. Lord, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. Thank you, Lord, for providing this food for me and the nourishment in my body's sake. Amen, amen. So let's dig in, guys. It comes with chips. Some locations charge extra. Some just give them to you as a meal. I have my vinaigrette. It's so good. I was in front of the line one day and seen this girl ordering some. And I was like, I wonder how that tastes. So ever since then, I've been stuck on this. And I have a big fat burrito. And on this burrito, I got lettuce, sour cream, extra sour cream, guacamole, black beans, shredded Parmesan or shredded white cheese, and cilantro rice. Yeah. And this is how big it is. Look at that. Take a bite of this. Let's have a look in the inside. Yes, chips look so good. And the chips are good too, because it's like they put like a lime taste on them. And I just dip it. Vinaigrette sauce. That's good right there. It's so good. I've been wanting Chipotle for a while now. And I really think, like, versus Moe's and Chipotle, Chipotle is winning. I think I like Chipotle better. Moe's just doesn't taste good to me anymore. Chipotle tastes fresher. That's good right there. So you guys, it's the countdown for the Super Bowl. Yes, I can't wait. I already got my menu together. And we're gonna be having a Super Bowl get together. Yes. Let me see my guacamole right there. This is so good. Yes, Chipotle is winning. Tell me what you think. If you think Chipotle is better or Moe's is better. Comment below and let me know. And if you're just not coming to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll always know each and every time I do come on. And I would love for you to be part of the family. Yes. Because we are winning over here, honey. Got my vinaigrette. Let's go right there. Sit that up there. Yes. So healthy looking, but so good. Chicken. It's just seasoned to perfection. Put that on there like that. Whatever fall out, just put it on the chip with the vinegar red. Good right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hit the spot. It's so good. Chipotle be winning though. Like when I go in there, I be seeing people get the bowls or whatever. But I be looking at the bowls like they ain't gonna fill me up. They look good though. They look like they taste real good. Pour some of that right there. Yes. Black beans are good too. So good. I think they got like other beans too. I think like pinto beans. I ain't never really tried those before. It's so good. And the guacamole is just so to perfection. Y'all hear Bella greedy. She like table food too. She don't let nobody eat. So good. So good. So This burrito make you want to slap your mama. So good. Yes. Comment below and let me know if your team is going to Super Bowl tomorrow. Or who you think gonna win. I want feedback. Let me know. Yes. Sometimes you gotta work with the burrito. How they fold it. Some people got Moe's and Chipotle in the area, but some don't have Moe's, some don't have Chipotle. I got both. That's the good thing. Yes. When I say it's so crazy outside tonight, If you going out, be safe. Don't drink and drive. Catch an Uber or a Lyft. Or make sure you have a designated driver. Because it's crazy out here. And the popos is out. Yes. I'm glad I ain't gotta worry about all that. So good. I'm still waiting on some recipes. Comment below or something. Let me know what recipes you be cooking in your kitchen, honey. What you be whipping up. Let a sister know so I can try it. Because I like different sauces too. Oh, let me know if you got a special wing sauce. That'd be good too. Or if you got a special dipping sauce for your wings. That'd be good. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about? Yay. What's that guacamole right there? Oh yeah. This vinaigrette is like addictive. It's like the best vinaigrette ever. You taste this vinaigrette, you ain't gonna wanna get no more type of vinaigrette, not even in the store. It's that good. You're gonna try to find out if they sell it in a quantity so you can always have it in your house. Guarantee you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's so good. I'm trying to tell you. I've been waiting for some chipotle. Work with it like that. Black beans. Cilantro rice. Guacamole. Pico. I forgot I put pico on there. Extra sour cream. Lettuce. Shredded cheese. And the seasoned chicken. If you go to Chipotle, let me know what you get on your burrito or bowl or taco. Let me know. So good. So, what I was telling you guys, my nieces got a YouTube channel as well called the Golden Sisters, and like they're so into like the slime and stuff. It's dope. It's a real dope channel, and I be helping them or whatever do the slime, and I'll just be getting messy. Y'all should go check it out. But like I said, the link will be down below by the comments. So you can just click on it after this video and go check it out. It will be on there. We do whatever we do. We get messy with slime, all types of stuff. It's awesome. Show them some love, support. Look at that right there. Yes. Y'all didn't know I was coming back with another one. And another one. This right here, make you do the dab. Just listen to how it sounds. Just listen to it. Listen to it. Listen to it. Dun, 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 dun. Listen to it. You like that sound? I like it. Oh, come to mama. Okay. It make the vinaigrette more spicy in my mouth. Mmm. Mmm. That was a baby one. Mm. Bella talking to me, you guys. I don't know what type of noise she was making, but she was on beat, right with my burp. Ooh. Oh. I'm full. Bella over here crying, y'all. Ooh, all the way, y'all. I'm full. Yes, chipotle was everything, honey. And this soda this is my favorite. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so each and every time I come on, you will know. You will know when I'm coming on. And until then, I love you guys. Be blessed and be safe. Mwah. Bye.